working on the technologies like Java, J2E, Spring Boot, then Kafka, Angular JS. These are the technologies I'm working on. And my roles and responsibilities and is that I'm doing the individual development with development and implementation. I'm doing the agile, following the agile process also there. I have knowledge of Git, then CI/CD pipeline, Jenkins there, and I have knowledge of cybersecurity domain and e-governance system for municipal corporation e-governance domains.
Okay, so you are fully into full stack development, right?
Yes, yes,
End to end.
yes.
We'll start with core Java first and then we go ahead.
Okay.
Can you tell me that what is the purpose of garbage collection in Java?
Garbage collection purpose means to freeing the memory which is allocated by the object which is not required yet. So that for that purpose, garbage collection is needed. Java internally handles the garbage collections if the object is not pointed to the anything which is not in use. In that case, Java automatically treated that object to the garbage collections. In
Okay.
Java, we can explicitly we can do by using the system.gc. Uh,
Yeah. And what is runtime polymorphism or dynamic dispatch, method dispatch, if you call
yes,
that?
yes. Dynamic polymorphism is the means dynamic polymorphism or the method dispatch way uh, achieving for that means if I have polymorphism, mainly polymorphism is that one action can be performed in multiple ways. For that we did the polymorphism, and in the dynamic polymorphism, it is which method is called, which is decided at runtimes. For that. It is called as the dynamic polymorphism or the runtime polymorphism, which is
Mhm.
which we can achieve by using the method overriding in Java. So that is the things.
Do you have knowledge about JSPs and servlets?
Yes, sir.
So why JSP is used?
Yes, JSP means JSP is used means it already have the servlets internally used.
Okay.
So by we don't means directly we can call the server side. So by using the JSP's things, Java server pages.
What is a servlet?
Servlet is the servlet is the things means we can achieve means we can process the request which is getting from the client, and we can process the request and send the response to the back to the client. So means through that we can do the things.
Yeah, yeah,
The
in the
servlet.
web server. So it will be
Yes, web
in the
server.
web server and it will take the response and give the I mean take the request and give the response
Request,
back.
response. Yes.
Yeah. So can you like achieve multiple inheritance in Java?
Multiple inheritance we cannot achieve means but the means directly we cannot achieve multiple multiple inheritance we cannot achieve in Java. By using the interface we can do the same things which is means by using the interface we can do the multiple inheritance in Java. Yes.
So what is the main goal or main use of immutable objects in Java? Why we use immutable or why we create immutable objects to use in Java?
Yes. Immutable object we use means once the object is means it is the immutable is the like the constant in Java. Means once we declare the things to that object, it will remain same for that object. It will not change. For that purpose we use the immutable object. We means all the wrapper classes are the immutable classes. String is also the immutable class. Means if I declared one string which is one string, then if I want to again reassign that to that to the another string, in that case it will create new string. It will not touch to the previous string which is already we change. So means that is called as immutable. It is a constant. We can
Okay.
achieve by using the finals to the class, and finals to the variables in that class, and by using the by using the getter method. Not to in it, we don't need to require the setter method in that. By using the constructor, we can achieve that. Means
So how do you create a object, or how do you set the value at the first time?
by using the constructor.
By using the constructor only. Is it a private
Yes,
constructor or a normal constructor?
immutable is the uh,
Yeah.
normal constructor,
Okay.
but the private final variables in that.
Okay. Okay. So whenever you create a new object with new values,
It will cre-
it will be
it will
created.
create the new one.
Yeah.
Yes,
Every time. Yeah. Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. And coming to, do you have experience working with threads as well?
Yes, but yes, I have did, but not complex scenarios. But I did.
Oh, okay. So do you understand what is a lock? A class level lock, object level lock. Have you heard about these terms?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
We can have the class level lock on the static class static methods where that is we achieve by using the class level lock. So that's and object level lock, which is run on the object of that class, not on the whole class. So lock is done on the
Turn
objects.
on means I didn't get that.
uh, Means object which is means in object level lock, the it will lock will happen on the particular object only, not on the means we can create the multiple means on the multiple object. It will act as a different lock. So there it will not, it will lock for the for that particular object only.
Okay. Okay. So have you used enums?
Yes.
What is enum? Why we use enum?
Enums, to declare the constant, we can write the enum. It is same as the class. Which enum is the class which is declaring the constants over there. So we can write the constructor, and we can get in enum class we can write the constructor. Through that we can initialize that to that, and we have the getters methods, so to get the object, to get the value for that enums also, and get values. It is the constant.
Okay. Like, can you create an object of a enum? Is it like a class?
Yes, it is similar to the class.
So can you create an object of a enum?
It means we can directly access the means directly access the class enum by using the name of that enum dot the variables over there. Don't need to create the object over. It is the constant only.
Okay. So can we create methods inside enum? Have you tried that?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So how you will call those methods?
By using the by using the class name and the methods names.
I mean, you mean enum's name, and then
Yes, enums.
what is a class loader in Java?
Class loader in Java means class loader will decide the when to load the class at the means when to load the class for the your that is means when to load that class at particular things. It is called as a class loader. In Java, there are three types of class loader. One is the bootstrap class loader. One is the instance class loader. Means I'm forgot the particular names of that
Okay, no problem.
bootstrap class loader, and then means once it is for starting of that for the machine starting for the second one is the uh, before means adding the dependencies to that creating the object it is the compile time things that at that time you need to load the class that is based on that means that I forgot the names of that, but it is the when to load the classes to that that is depend on that class loader.
Can you tell me the hierarchy of collections in Java?
Yes, collections main hierarchy is the collection collection is the interface collection based on that is the main class, and after that list set is the list set, and the queue is the uh, sub interfaces for the interface, and then list we can implement in the array list or the linked list in that set we can implement in the uh, tree set and hash set in the set set interface, and another one queue we can implement in queue array dq over there. So that is, and map is the different type of it is not in the hierarchy of that collection, but it is one type of collections also. Means we can treat as a key value pair when we want to do the key value pair. In that case we can go for the map uh, and we have the hash map interface hash map class the which is implemented the map interface, and list when we want to go to when we want the ordered collection. In that case we can go for the list interface. When we want the do means if I want to achieve the unique objects unique things uh, in your object, then in that case you need to go for the set interface.
These array can have duplicate numbers, duplicate values.
Yes.
Okay, whatever you are storing in that array, uh, you are storing integers, suppose. Okay,
Yes.
and so these array can have duplicates. So can
Yes.
you tell me the logic behind removing the duplicates in an array?
Yes, means we can directly use the set interface means has set over there, and it will automatically remove the duplicates from that also. Means by
Okay,
using the hash set, it
okay,
will
so you will
just
transfer all the data in the hash set.
yes,
Okay, but suppose if you don't need to create any additional memory space, then
yes.
because if you create set, then it will use some extra space. So how do
Okay.
you do that?
Means you need to write the different logic on that array only, not on this using the set interface.
Yeah, because I mean you need to consider the time complexity as well as the space complexity in this scenario.
Yes. By using the streams API, you can do the things.
Yeah, if you tell me, if you write that, that will be very good.
Yes.
What is arrays dot map dot put?
Array, I mean to say, is the where arrays, what are the array you are using over there? So, name of that array
Mm-hmm.
means if I created the array A1, and then it will be a A1.
Okay, but and first this streams, is it a method?
But no, no.
So how do you convert a array into stream? How you are doing that?
Means here I used array as a list, so it will be get streams will work on the list, and map dot get put it will add the to just put into the
Arrays, huh? Stream dot array. Stream. I think
mistake.
it is kind of stream dot of array. No.
No, I'm trying to do like this.
So first you converted that array into a list, and then you are converting that list into a stream.
Yes,
But you can directly convert this array into a stream and then use that stream further. No.
yes, we can.
Okay, but no problem. You have converted into a list. Okay, then you need to
Yes,
remove the duplicates.
yes.
And to convert this, I think you need to write it something like L L. What is the name? L1 L1
Alice.
dot
Yes,
stream, not
yes,
stream dot L1.
yes. Maybe I'm not able to. Something wrong with there in the syntax.
Okay, okay. So and after that, what we are going to do with map method?
Means in that I'm going to get into the I'm going to get that
Map. So why this you used, you chose map method?
map. I want to store into the map I have chosen because it will convert map to the another list, another streaming object, another list, and which I wanted to get into the uh, another collections. So that's why
I didn't get that. Another collection.
transform object.
So I didn't understand this map dot get, because if you want to use map method of stream, then this map method is used to perform certain operations on the uh, certain methods on the stream. Okay.
Directly
So you want to remove duplicates, then that means you want to use the dist- distinct element of
filter.
that.
I can use the filter on that.
So if you want to filter, how do you filter? How do you use filter method here? I think instead of filter, you can choose to keep the distinct values. So we have distinct method in stream. No? So in distinct method,
Yes.
you will have only distinct value. You will remove all the duplicate values. So it will be like L1 dot stream and then dots distinct. Okay. And if you want to use streams is another method, so you need to use brackets are after this.
Okay.
Okay, and then this this is still a stream. You need to convert it into a, you need to get it into a data type or something.
Yes.
Okay, so you can collect it by using collector to collect as a list, or you can directly print it as well if you want to,
Yes. Yes.
by using for each.
Yes.
So by using for each, you can have each value of stream and print it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So coming to front
Yes.
end, so can you tell me what are the MVP and MVC, MVC architecture? Have you heard about that?
Yes, MVC architecture I have heard, not on the MVP.
Okay. So can you tell me what is MVC in terms of Angular?
Yes, means model view controller type we can achieve in the Angulars as well. Means whenever the we get the response from the HTTP servers, and it will get the response, and it will send to the uh, means in Angular as well. We have the HTML TS classes over there. So we have the models over there, model.ts files as well, and we have the uh, services files over there. So in that service.ts, we have the we get the response object over there and send the request object from that, and through that we can whatever the response we can assign it to that model.ts, and it will reflect on your UI. That is the view things.
Okay. And what are the this cross origin resource sharing in terms of MVC? Are these like in your project, are these services uh, REST services which are calling each other?
Yes, race services we are using, calling each other.
Okay. So I think I have done from my side. Do you have any questions in
Okay.
your mind?